Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, in the last video, we see some yoga poses, and I told you that in the next video, we will perform all these yoga poses. So, I hope you all are excited to do. So, let's start it. So, first of all, we will perform Sukhasana. For a Sukhasana, we have to sit down and bend our both knees and sit in a comfortable position. Place the hand on the knees, chin should be in, keep the head, neck and back straight, and close the eyes and relax our body. And we have to concentrate on our breathing. Now take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Repeat again. Inhale and exhale. Sukhasana have many benefits like it enhances our concentration, it stretches and lengthens spine, it calms your mind, it enhances your peace of mind, it reduces anxiety, stress and mental fatigue, it helps in improving our body posture and so many. Now we will perform Sakirvanasana, which is Vajrasana. For a Vajrasana, we have to kneel down on the floor with your knees. Ankle and toes touching the ground. Your toes should be stretched backward. Place your palm of your hand on the knees. The upper body should be straight at the time. The breathing should be deep, even and slow. Now I will tell you the benefits of Vajrasana. It is helpful in improving concentration. It is helpful in curing back pain and chest disease. It enhances memory power. It removes mental stress. It strengthens the pelvic muscles and it cures postural defects. Now we will do Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana, sit on the ground with leg forward. Then raise your hand and take a deep breath and hold the toe of your feet with the finger of both hands and try to touch the knee with your forehead. Now hold this position for a 5 to 10 seconds. After that, breathe in slowly, raise your head upward and come to the prayer position. Now, benefits of Paschimottanasana. It cures gas trouble, it prevents the early ossification of bones, it reduces obesity, it is helpful in all abdominal disorders, it is helpful in removing skin disease and vertebrae become flexible and healthy. These are the benefits of Paschimottanasana. Now we will do next pose, which is Bhujangasana. In this asana, the shape of the body remains like a snake. That is why it is called Bhujangasana. In order to perform this asana, lie down on the belly on the floor. Keep your hand near the shoulders. Keep your leg close together. Straighten up your arms slowly. Raise the chest and take a deep breath. Your head should be backward. Now hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Now exhale slowly and come to the previous position. For good results, perform this asana 3 to 5 times. Now the benefits of Bhujangasana. It provides strength and agility. It reduces obesity. It cures the disease of liver. It improves blood circulation. It makes the spine column flexible and thin. It strengthens the muscles of hands. Now we will perform the last one asana, which one is Pavan Mukta Asana. For a Pavan Mukta Asana, lie down on your back on a plain surface. Keep your feet together and place your arm beside your body. Take a deep breath. When you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest. At the same time, press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hand around your leg. Hold the asana when you breathe normally. Every time you inhale, ensure that you loosen up the grip. Exhale and release the pose. Now, relax your body and take a breath. After that, repeat again this asana. For a good result, perform this asana at least 3 to 5 times. Now, benefits of Pavan Mukta Asana. It eases the tension in lower back. It enhances the blood circulation in pelvic area. It helps in reducing the fat of thighs, buttocks and abdominal area. So that's all from my side. Thank you. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the video. Hope you have learned something from the video which help you for stay healthy and fit. Please take care of yourself. Thank you.